Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am talking about the C4 pathway. Please like, share and subscribe my video. So without time wasting, I am continue this process. So this is a leaf, and if we broaden this part in the microscope, we will see this is the upper epidermis. This is the mesophyll cells, and between the mesophyll cells there is present the bundle sheath, and this is the lower epidermis. So if we broaden this part also, we can see that this is the epidermis and the CO2 is present. We know that plant accept the CO2. So CO2 will be diffused into the mesophyll cells. This will be the mesophyll 1 mesophyll cells. And in the cell there is already present the H2O, that is water, which is interact with the CO2, and in the presence of the enzyme that is carbonic anhydrase enzyme, it will form H2CO3. But before that, in detail, the H2O reacts with the CO2 and it will form, we know that it will form the H2CO3, and the H2CO3 will be dissociated into H plus ions and HCO3 minus ion, and it will be dissociated into HCO3 minus ions. Basically, which is accepted, that is HCO3, and this bicarbonate ion is accepted by pep carboxylase. And there is another enzyme which is present, that is phosphoenol pyruvate, which will react with the pep carboxylase and the bicarbonate ion, and it will gives us the oxaloacetate, OAA. This is oxaloacetate, and the oxaloacetate, with the help of malate dehydrogenase, so with the help of the enzyme malate dehydrogenase, the oxaloacetic acid will be formed the malate. The oxaloacetic acid is the first product and it is a 4-carbon compound. That's why it is also called C4 pathway, and this pathway also known as Hatch-Slack cycles. And the oxaloacetic acid, with the help of the enzyme malate dehydrogenase, it will form the malate or the malic acid, and it is occur in the mesophyll cells. This whole process is occur in the mesophyll cells, and the malate will be diffused after that into the bundle sheath. We know that in between the mesophyll cells there are bundle sheath. The malate will be dissolved into the bundle sheath, and this is also a 4-carbon compound. Malate is also a 4-carbon compound, so malate is diffused, and with the help of another enzyme, that is malate dehydrogenase, and also another elements is required, that is NADP plus, it will form a 3-carbon compound, that is pyruvate. This is a 3 carbon compound, and malate is 4 carbon. Oxaloacetic also is 4 carbon compound. A 4 carbon compound malate is diffused into the pyruvate, that is 3 carbon compound. Another product will be occur, that is CO2. And also here we add the NADP plus, so that we will get the NADPH plus H hydrogen. The main product will get, that is COO2, and the pyruvate, that is the 3 carbon compound, will be dissolved into the mesophyll cells. And here is another enzyme is required, that is pyruvate phosphate dikinase. Pyruvate phosphate dikinase, and it will be gives us the phosphoenol pyruvate. And in this process the ATP is also required, and ATP will be form the AMP, that is adenosine monophosphate and phosphate, inorganic phosphate. So this is occur, and the CO2 that we will get, and this CO2 will be enter into the Kelvin cycle. And in the Kelvin cycle, after the Kelvin cycle is stopped, we will get the glucose compound. So ultimately we will get the glucose compound, and this is the process of C4 pathway. I hope you will get this process very easily. Thank you so much for watching my video. Please like, share and subscribe my video.